अरे वो मेरी फोटो आ रही है ना।
Hi, good afternoon. How are you? We haven't seen each other for a long time. I'm Chef Nikhil, and I hope that we see each other as soon as possible. I hope you are doing well at home, and you have been cooking a lot of recipes. I have been following a lot of recipes of you guys. I have been very happy that a lot of people have come out in the kitchen now and are preparing something fantastic, restaurant style food in their kitchens. Basically, it has been tough for all of us, being in the house and not moving out. But I think that the basic challenge has been for the kids. The kids have been at home. They cannot go to school. They cannot go to parks. They cannot go to meet their friends. And most of all, they cannot go out to eat restaurant quality food. So what we have done today is we have prepared some ingredients that we will now create a dish which is both nutritious as well as stylish and contemporary. So we will be doing some quesadillas. So what we will be doing is it is a mixture of Indian as well as Mexican cuisine. So like we do quesadillas. When in restaurant we order a lot of Mexican food. It is spicy. It is good for people. So what we will be doing is we will be making a chila, which is made in every household. Every housewife prepares chila in their own way. So we will do a chila, which will be sort of a pancake, and then we will sandwich in between some nice stuffing.
Okay.
Okay, so with some ingredients that we have. So we have some chopped bell peppers, as you can see. We have red, yellow, green bell peppers, some mushrooms, onions, baby corn, some spices to go with. So a couple of steps, in this recipe that are there. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to make a batter first, right?
Okay.
So we have besan here, right? बेसन को हमने थोड़ा सा we have sifted it before using, right? उससे क्या होगा कि इसके अंदर lumps नहीं आते हैं. A lot of people complain that when they are making chilas or when they are doing anything with besan वो बहुत lumpy हो जाता है,
Yeah.
right? So we have already sifted the besan here. What we'll now do is we will add some spices to it. So first we'll do we'll add some salt. So again, the recipe will depend on the quantity that you want to make. So these chilas, so one portion will have 2 chilas. So there will be a sandwich of chila. So prepare the quantity in that way, right? So हमने पहले नमक डाल दिया इसके अंदर. Then we will put a pinch of turmeric, just to give that nice bright color, to the besan. We will add some ajwain. So we'll just crush some ajwain into it. By crushing, it will release nice flavors rather than just putting it in. You can use, some crushed ajwain. We will also use some coriander powder, right? Some coriander powder, just to give it a ting. And then we'll just mix it up. We will just mix the dry ingredients first so that, they mix up really well, and then we will slowly add some water, right? So it can be just normal regular water. In case you want to use a whisk, you can do that as well, just to remove the lumps if you find any. So the consistency will be like a batter consistency, right? I'm sure you must be making pakodas at home. So pakode का जो consistency है थोड़ा सा thick होता है, but chile का it will be a flowing consistency, just like a pancake if you have made pancakes before or chilas before. See, because we had sifted the besan before, there are not many lumps here, but we'll just put in a final whisk inside and just stir it up so that even if there are some lumps, they go away. See, it will be a shiny sort of a batter. Because we have added some turmeric, it will have some yellow tinge to it. All right.
शेफ माही लोकेश दमवनी पूछना चाहती है कि आप आज क्या बनाने जा रहे हैं?
So as I told you before that we are making quesadillas. So the dish is called quesadillas, and it's a Mexican dish. So what we are doing is we are trying to make quesadillas because quesadillas are made from rotis, and you know there are some special tortilla breads that we use for them. But ये proper homemade recipe है with nutrition as well as some style to it. So once our batter is made, what we'll do is we'll start with the stuffing side by side, and what we'll do is we'll just go to the flame. So we can work on both the flames together. You know, we have a pan here. So that's a pan where we are going to cook the batter, and this is where we are going to cook the stuffing. So we'll put the pan on high heat right now. I'll tell you why. Just to make it into a non-stick consistency. So this is a good tip. कोई भी pan घर में रहे, even if it is a non-stick pan, we can make it or turn it into a non-stick pan by doing a small tip. This is another pan where we are going to make the stuffing. So this is ready. Let's start with this. So we will take a couple of teaspoons of oil. Oil can be again anything. If you can take refined oil, you can take olive oil, whichever oil you are using at home. Be comfortable to suit yourself and make this in any oil. So once the oil heats up, we are going to put some garlic into it. So we have chopped garlic here. Again, about 1.5 teaspoon of garlic.
सर शेफ हमारे शुभागा नरसिम्हा पूछ रही हैं कि डोसा बैटर कंसिस्टेंसी होनी चाहिए?
Yes, I think that's a South Indian pancake as well. South Indian pancakes ही होते हैं डोसा, तो that consistency will work. That consistency should work. So you can see we have added some garlic into it. Garlic थोड़ा सा हमने दरदरा chop किया है because it should come in the mouth and it should not be very very pasty. Then we will add onions to it. Chopped onions, again around 3 tablespoons. Okay, so let it cook. We'll just go to that pan for a second. If we can go to this pan. So this pan is becoming quite hot. So what we'll do is, it's an interesting tip actually given by my wife. She uses this tip a lot. So we have a mixture of oil and water. You can see. So what we'll do is we'll just put some oil and water on that. This sort of becomes a non-stick pan. Right? So what we'll now do is we'll put our chila batter on top of it. That's it. We'll try to just make it the size that we want. Not really thin, not really thick. So we'll just put it on slow flame. We'll even cover it with lid so that it gets ample heat to cook from both the sides. Now we'll again go to the stuffing. So our onion is almost translucent. You can see that it has become almost colorless now and transparent. So now we'll start to put some vegetables into it. We'll put some mushrooms first. While putting mushrooms, one of the best tips is that you can use some salt right now. This will help the mushrooms to lose their water because mushrooms will shrink a lot. So normally people will say that you should use the hard vegetables first, but whenever you are cooking with mushrooms, I think you should cook the mushrooms first so that they ooze out all the water, and then you can add other ingredients into it. So just let these mushrooms cook a bit. This will depend on whatever vegetables your kids eat. In case they eat zucchini in case they eat carrots, something like that, nutritional vegetables that you want to eat, you can add those vegetables.
Yes.
You can even use spinach. You can even use corn.
Is it healthy for kids also, right, chef?
Yes, yes. So this is basically a recipe that we have invented for kids only.
Okay.
Right. So you can see that mushrooms have already started shrinking.
काफी कर लिया है शेफ. नेहा, आदित्य,
Welcome
They're
everyone.
saying Saroj Astogi,
Oh, my mom.
Chetna Kasagra. They have saying hi to you.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I wish that I could, meet up all these people, really quickly. But it's a good medium that Amul has given us, to at least be on a forum, something that we, what we can. So the mushrooms are almost, like a bit soggy. So what we'll do now, add some color to it. So we will have some red capsicum, some yellow ones, some greens, and we'll add some baby corn.
विधि अमित चौरे हमसे पूछ रही है शेफ, क्या रिपीट कर देंगे इसकी इंग्रेडिएंट्स को और इस रेसिपी का नाम?
Sure. So we call it quesadillas.
Yeah.
The original recipe is quesadillas.
Okay.
So this is quesadillas. Again, the ingredients are anything that you like. The only thing that we are using here is we are using instead of a roti. So rather than doing a or a maida thing, we are doing it with besan, right? So we are just cooking it on slow flame. We have to make 2 of them for a portion. So I'll just let it cook. So here we are, onto a stuffing.
Okay.
It's a colorful stuffing. Kids like all sorts of colors. So what we have done with baby corn is that we have parboiled it. Are we back?
Yes, chef.
I am so sorry. I think there was a connectivity issue. So we are back again. So as you can see, the vegetables are almost ready. We added, everything that we wanted to. So we'll just switch it off. Let it cool a bit. You can see the chila. Now you can see the chila, right? That's beautiful golden brown color. So what we'll do is we'll now just assemble it. Okay? So just put it on high flame and just make sure that it's not raw. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll now put some stuffing on it. Right? So it's nice, tempting colors. That's what kids want. Another thing that kids really want is cheese. So we have some Amul cheese with us. We have grated this mozzarella.
Oh wow.
Right. So we will just put some mozzarella on top. It's basically like making a pizza, but with a more nutritious base. And then we'll cover it up with another chila.
Okay.
Right. Beautiful. So that's what we want to do. Now there's one more chila that we have. So we will just cover it up with this. Right? You can even make small, pizzets, like small pizzets if you want. And then you can have all these things, in them.
Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll just cover it up for a bit. Let the cheese melt.
Okay.
Yeah. So even if you have mozzarella, it's fine. If you have any other cheese, you want to use processed cheese, you want to put a cheese slice, you want to put a cheddar cheese, so whatever is available at home, you can use that cheese, whatever kids like, sticky sort of a cheese that they like a lot, right? All right.
शेफ, क्या हम इसमें टमाटो केचप यूज कर सकते हैं? जैसे kids loves to regularly
Any
eat tomato
spread can
ketchup.
be used. You can use a chutney, you can use a mayonnaise, you can use a any spread. But what I'll suggest is that do not use any spread now.
Okay.
We will use a spread when we serve it. Right?
Okay.
So let's just keep a plate over here.
Okay.
So I think the cheese has melted beautifully, as you can see. The cheese has almost melted. So what we can do now is, you can put it on a plate first. Nicely.
Wow, chef is looking awesome. मेरा तो मन कर रहा है मैं अभी खा लूँ.
Then we can use a pizza cutter, right? And then you can use just a spatula to pick it up. So you can see it will almost behave like a pizza. The cheese will stretch a bit. That's what kids want.
As well as healthy also, right?
Yes, because we are using besan.
Yeah.
There you go. So we'll just garnish it with a bit of a seasoning, right? And because it's an Indian version, we'll just put some fresh coriander on top. As you said, we can serve it with any sort of mayonnaise. So what we'll do is, we'll have some Thousand Island dressing with it. So there you go. Right? So this is our recipe. It's quesadillas. I hope it has been of some use to you, and you put it to good use when you are, celebrating some stuff with the kids. And I hope to see you soon. Till then, just be safe and stay indoors as much as possible. And I'll see you on the other side of COVID. Hope we come out of this really soon. So have a good day. Have a good next half of the year ahead, and stay safe. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, chef.